Ever wanted to keep a vital div element stuck to the bottom of its container, no matter what? Today, we're going to learn exactly how to do that in Webflow, making it perfect for things like sticky footers or essential action bars that need to stay visible. First, identify the parent container where your div needs to sit at the bottom. This is the element that will control the positioning. With your parent container selected, head over to the Style panel. We need to give it a specific layout setting to allow for absolute positioning of its children. Change the parent's layout to Flexbox for most bottom sticking scenarios. You'll want the direction set to vertical. Now, look for the Align section within the Flexbox settings. This is where the magic happens. Choose the space between option for alignment. This tells Webflow to push elements to the extremes of the container. Next, select the child div you want to move to the bottom. This is the element that will be persistently positioned. In the Style panel for your child div, find the Position setting and change it from the default static to absolute. Now, because the parent is set to Flexbox and we've used space between, we can use the offset properties to precisely place our child div. Set the bottom offset to 0 pixels. This instruction tells the child div to be exactly 0 pixels away from the bottom edge of its parent. And there you have it. Your div is now consistently sitting at the bottom of its parent container, always in view. This technique is incredibly useful for creating sticky footers, persistent notification bars, or any element that needs to remain accessible. Experiment with this layout trick in your Webflow projects for cleaner, more user-friendly designs.